Casa Líquen is a testament to the harmonious marriage of architecture and nature, a beacon of thoughtful design nestled just a few meters from the pristine beaches of Chacala, Nayarit, Mexico. Designed and constructed by taller Fino, Lozano and Pragma Estudio, this structure is far more than a residence. It represents a living dialogue between human ingenuity and the natural world. Rising gracefully over 4 levels, Casa Líquen stands as a monument to the vision and creativity of its creators, evolving from a simple rest house to a luxurious boutique hotel. The journey of its creation, with all its engineering challenges and demands for adaptation, reflects the determination to bring a dream to life in a land far from the familiar. One of the defining architectural strategies employed in Casa Líquen was the recessing of the rooms and terraces. This design choice was not only aesthetic but also practical, helping to maintain the scale of the building in relation to its surroundings. As Chacala continues to grow as a tourist destination, the integration of Casa Líquen into its urban fabric was crucial. The recessed design helps the structure blend seamlessly into the landscape, preserving the area's natural beauty while contributing to its architectural heritage. Each terrace offers a unique perspective of the surrounding scenery, with the deep blue of the sky and the shimmering sea providing a stunning backdrop to the earthy tones of the building. The interiors of Casa Líquen are a study in the use of natural materials to create spaces that are both inviting and grounded. The clay floors, meticulously laid throughout the residence, are more than just a surface to walk on, they are a tactile connection to the earth. The warm, rich tones of the clay integrate seamlessly into the building's color palette, adding a sense of identity and warmth to each space. As one moves through the rooms, there is a palpable sense of being connected to the land, a feeling that is enhanced by the textures and natural hues that define the interior spaces. The walls of Casa Líquen, covered in a specially pigmented paste, are a work of art in themselves. The choice of this material was deliberate, aimed at creating a soft, imperfect texture that would age gracefully, enhancing the timeless quality of the building. The arches and surfaces, bathed in this unique finish, stand in subtle contrast to the vibrant blue of the Chacala sky, which can be glimpsed through the wide doors and shutters made from Rosa Morada wood. This contrast between the natural and the crafted, the old and the new, is a recurring theme throughout Casa Líquen, adding layers of depth to the experience of the space. Handcrafted Palo Maria wooden pergolas are a signature element of Casa Líquen, casting intricate shadows on the walls and filtering the light in the pool area, on the terraces of the rooms, and on the terrace viewpoint. These pergolas, with their artisanal quality, add a layer of texture and complexity to the design, enhancing the play of light and shadow throughout the day. The terrace viewpoint, the final reward for those who ascend to the top of the building, offers an outdoor shower and breathtaking views of the sea and surrounding hills. It is a space designed for contemplation, where one can gaze at the sky, feel the sea breeze, and connect with the natural beauty of Chacala. The pool area is another example of the thoughtful integration of materials and design at Casa Líquen. Covered in the same material as the walls, the pool becomes an extension of the building itself, enhancing the monolithic sensation of the structure. The water, acting as both filter and mirror, reflects the sky and the surrounding terraces, infusing the space with touches of turquoise and adding to the serene ambience of the complex. The pool is not just a place to swim but a central feature that ties together the various elements of the design, creating a sense of unity and continuity. Casa Líquen is more than just a building. It is a labor of love, a project that embodies the passion and dedication of its creators. Every detail, from the carefully chosen materials to the thoughtful integration of spaces, speaks to the care and attention that went into its construction. It stands as a symbol of what can be achieved when architecture is guided by a deep respect for nature and a commitment to creating spaces that enhance the human experience. For those who had the privilege of bringing Casa Líquen to life, it is a testament to the power of design to create not just buildings, but places that inspire and nurture the soul.